Artificial intelligence is reshaping the world around us, driving innovation and transforming industries in unprecedented ways. In healthcare, AI-powered diagnostic tools are enabling early detection of diseases, resulting in more effective treatments and saving lives. Dynamic animations show doctors using AI to analyze medical images and predict patient outcomes. In education, personalized learning algorithms are revolutionizing the way students engage with material, tailoring lessons to individual needs and improving overall academic performance. Visuals shift to students interacting with adaptive learning platforms and achieving higher grades. The finance sector is witnessing a paradigm shift as AI algorithms enhance fraud detection, optimize trading strategies, and provide personalized financial advice. Illustrations depict financial analysts using AI to predict market trends and secure investments. Transportation is becoming safer and more efficient with autonomous vehicles navigating roads and smart traffic systems reducing congestion. Vibrant visuals showcase self-driving cars, drones, and intelligent traffic lights orchestrating seamless traffic flow. AI is also leaving its mark on manufacturing, where smart factories use AI to enhance productivity, ensure quality control, and reduce waste. Scenes of robots collaborating with human workers on assembly lines underscore this revolution. Throughout the video, concise text overlays emphasize key points, while a compelling voiceover guides viewers through the narrative, ensuring the message is clear and impactful. Transitioning smoothly from one sector to another, the video captures the essence of AI's transformative power. Designed for social media, it features vibrant visuals and captivating transitions that grab attention and encourage sharing. This 60-second journey through the world of AI showcases its potential to enhance productivity, drive innovation, and improve quality of life across various industries.